Hey there folks, James Hilliard here with Connection. Printer technology, it continues to evolve, and the HP OfficeJet Pro 9020 all-in-one, it's got all the in-demand features your business could want. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Now, for purpose of time, we did take some liberties. We set the machine up here. Only took about 2.5 minutes really for me to get some paper in it, some ink, get it fired up and connected to our network. So really easy setup and simple there. Want to point out a couple more features to you. You've got the power button right up on top. Got a nice color 2.5-inch touch screen here. And down at the bottom, USB port here. So if you're coming up with that flash drive, you can bring that right on in and print from there. Let's look at some of the scanning capabilities. We've got the scanner up top here, of course, simple that we can put right on the glass and scan a document, or you can feed 35 pages through here. As for printing, we've got 2 trays for paper. Bottom tray here, easy, simple to open up. On tray 2, more paper, but you can put in envelopes as well. And then unique on this as well is the paper is going to be printed and delivered to you out front, so you're not wasting side space as many printers have. Let's talk about what this machine can do for you. On the high-yield ink cartridges, 3,000 black pages can be printed on one cartridge, or if you're using a lot of color, about 1,600 pages through those color cartridges. 24 pages per minute black print, or 20 pages on color. We have obviously built-in security, and there's HP Smart app that really simplifies mobile printing for all users out there. So that's a first look here. Again, this is the HP OfficeJet Pro. It's the 9020 all-in-one at home in a multi-use office, or I think in a single office as well. If you're looking for more information, we encourage you to head on over to connection.com/HP.